So Eli, look at this. This is the old crankshaft out of the Comanche. This fits in there perfectly. Okay?
Perfectly?
Perfectly. So perfect. Now, I need to get that out. And we're gonna use this.
Bread?
Bread.
All right.
So, what do you think is stronger, the bread or the steel?
Steel, obviously.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna shove a whole bunch of bread down inside there.
Why do we shove all the bread in
I'll show you. And now we put in more bread.
there? Okay. Why are we doing the bread?
There it came
But
out.
what's the bread for?
It creates pressure. So as you push the bread down, it pushes the pilot bearing out of its seat.
Oh, so how do we get the bread out?
Hydraulic.
That's a lot of bread.
I think this is one of the funniest engine procedures.
You know, I wouldn't eat that.
No, don't eat that.
Maybe the dogs would eat it.
Well, yeah, they would. That's why you got to keep them away. But see, that's how you get a pilot bearing out of a crankshaft. That's way too tight, and I wanted to keep it good because hopefully we can use it in this one. Yeah, we're gonna be able to. See, perfect. I'm gonna go put this in the freezer so it shrinks it in size, and then I'll put it into the new crankshaft that we're using in the new engine.
Shouldn't the bread, shouldn't you take it out?
The bread, yeah. Yeah, the bread will come out. But that is one way to use bread to build an engine.
Okay.
Okay, so you can stop it now.